Hi, this is Sambasivam, Assistant Professor, SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to discuss about the power plant engineering right now. Everybody knows the power plant engineering is most important to develop an energy resources like producing an electricity. So this is actually done by converting an electrical energy, converting into an energy in the form of mechanical energy and through a kinetic energy. So the working principle is basically lies depends upon the what are the materials we are going to use and how it has been driven through turbine and how the steam has been generated and those steam is helped to drive the turbine and finally the electricity is produced when the turbine is connected with an alternator. This is how the power plant engineering starts steadily to overcome the diesel damages. That is what I am going to tell about in this lecture. Before getting into the slide, I would like to mention that there is a different type of power plants is right there. So the similar kind of power plants will be used for is like one of the things steam power plant. So normally, generally, we can able to say that steam power plant is nothing but a generation of using a steam to drive the steam engines and steam turbines to due to the following reasons because the steam can be raised quickly from water. So, in contrast to that, it does not require any external agencies like that. Does not need much with the materials because the water is able to boil something which is better for them. So, when the water is boiled, we can able to generate the steam with an accurate and that according to our requirements. So it is also a stable at temperatures required in the planet. So the steam power line's most important criteria and most important generation we have used in this recent past industries. So the normally as the steam power plant right now, the steam power plant has a following circuits. One is flow coil and circuit, airflow gas circuit, feed water and steam flow circuit. Similarly, cooling water flow circuit. These are the major criteria where the steam power plant process. So apart from the steam power plant in the fuel and coal ash circuit, it has a different function where the ash has been collected and where the ash has been transferred. These kind of fuels has been example is coal. These are to completely burn and it has to be completely developed and the completely once the complete has been that will be an ash has been produced. That recycling process has to be done according to the requirements and similarly the airflow gas circuit now. So whenever the air is mixed, right? So it has to mix it with an air or flow gas circuit. So to make an combustion one. So to make the combustion, which makes to get a heat and heat the coal and convert it into has to make the boiler to heat up. And feed water and steam flow circuit is used to flow of cold water into a boiler from a boiler to turbine when the turbine has been reproduced into a cycle. So this flow circuit has been developed all around the boiler circuits because if there is a no coolant, so if there is a no boiling of water, the transmission is happening around it. So it becomes difficult for them to develop a vapor and again they have to convert it into a state to a liquid again it has to convert it into water. This cyclic process has been done according in the steam layout of steam power plant. Then coming to the next and fourth layout is an cooling water flow circuit. So when the hot water has been transferred from an turbine, so it has been the vapor has been transferred from a turbine. It has been converted into a liquid with a high temperature. So in contrast to that, to reduce this temperature, the circuit has been transferred into a cooling water flow circuit. So once the cooling water flow circuit has been transferred, the heat water has been become cold. Once it has been cold, we can able to transfer those water from for another recycling process. So the cyclic process has been done around these four layout process. Once this circuit has been layout, so this will help to produce an electricity in a continuous manner which we are daily using into circuits. This is how the electricity has been generated and how it has been transferred over the last period of times. And this is the way of steam power plant is working. More or less, the steam power plants is the most important criteria in day-to-day life. This has been explained in the upcoming video. Hope the basic functionalities of an steam power plant has been discussed right now. So next we are moving towards an the different type of circuit layers and how it has been functioning around it are going to explain in the next set of video. Thank you. Bye bye.